Okay, a little bit of an error here. Let's see. Okay, this belongs to this, checking if-then clauses, right? This belongs to this. Okay. These guys all belong here, right? They're all in one if section. And I think the problem is I want this to be here. I need an extra if. Let me see. Yeah, no. Let's see. Right. Okay, so it should look like that up on top. And then we've got this stuff, okay? So what we want is, this is true, then we want to do this, right? And then this one's wrong here. I think this is wrong. We have to do that. That's what we wanted. Okay. So that belongs to this. This belongs to this guy. Okay. This is here. And I think that's it. So let's look at this carefully. Move this, and we'll test it out in a sec. Okay, so this is the else if. So this is the else if. Okay, so this is if it's going right. We're going to check to see where on Y it holds up, and if it goes on in the blue sections it's here, and if it goes on the white sections it's there. If that's not true, we move this. This is check for the bounce here, and this is where we check for the bounce here. Okay, so these are all checking for bounces. There we go. Okay, and let's check it. So we're going to check. So he bounces this way, and then he should bounce this way. That's good. Okay, that's great. And we can do stuff with the puck. Can change its Y log here. Move him up high like we did before. The pie bounces up high. There he goes. That looks good. We'll do one more. And we'll run it. There he goes. And that's good. Okay. And then the thing we got to do now is we got to handle the up and down part, which are actually much easier. Okay, and I kind of think you guys could do this, but we'll set it up for you. Okay. Okay, so check for bounces. This is left side. This is right side. Okay, and then we're going to do a top and bottom one. Okay. So we do top and bottom one here. Okay, and these are easier because there's no right and left. Okay, so this is going to be actually easier. So if y speed is like if it's less than 0, which means it's going up, okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to do some checking, okay, and then we're going to go else, okay, and then we can go here and check if y speed is if y speed is greater than 0. So we're going to have these two basic checks, okay? If y speed is greater than 0 or less than 0, then we want to know if, and this would happen in any locations basically. If the y log is less than 0, then it's going to be like up at the top, and it's going to get sort of off the top of the the screen, so it'll be, I don't have the thing. So wait a second. So if that's true, then basically what we're going to do is we're going to put we're going to set the y log to be 0, and we're going to have the y speed flip flop. So we're going to say times equals -1. Okay, and we can check that. Let me see, by going up to the top, setting this x speed to 0, and setting this to -30. Let's see what happens. Whoa, that's too high. Let's see what happens. Boom, that's good. And he still falls off. Okay. And then on the bottom part, we got to go if y speed is greater than 0. Then you say if the y location is greater than my table dot get height minus puck diameter, accounting for the puck, then the y log is going to equal this, and we're going to flip the speed. -1, and we'll test that. Okay, it's going to equal that there. Okay, so this checks for like top and bottom. This is the top check. And this is the bottom check. There we go. Yeah. Boom. 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 Excellent. And then what we want to do is you just kind of like randomly check them, see if he just goes in like lots of different directions now. He should sort of circulate around now. So if you go like this, and set this to be like -10. He has no friction right now, so he's going to go off in like a distance like that. See what he's doing? He bounces off the wall. So that seems good. Okay, and you could do other work here to get see like there, like he bounced out of the goal. Not sure if that's what we want. See what he does here. Yeah, there he just sort of bounces off. See what happens. So I think there is going to be a little bit of an issue like around the neck. See how he bounced off there? But that was his hand. You know, that one he should have went in the goal. So I don't know, we should do something like that. And if it even just gets in the goal, we should like kind of count it as a goal. But that's good. And so what you want to do is get this done and show me in a video that your puck is bouncing like this and covering like all these angles. Okay? Alright, so thanks a lot and talk to you later.